Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to do some beef tips Monterey. I'm going to bring you in, I'll show you how to do it, how we get the meat and everything ready, and go from there. So you bring it down. You're going to listen to my dogs apparently just breathe super heavy. We got some baby bell mushroom slices. Chop them up a little bit. 1 onion. You want it cut kind of long ways, so you want the longer pieces of it. If you want to break it so that way it lays flat, you can. And then on the meat, trim, I know it's going to sound weird, the fat off the meat. Not my fave, but for this kind of recipe, that's pretty much what you want. Trust me, it's not going to go to waste. Every piece of meat and stuff here gets used for a little bit of everything. Whether it's broth or dog foods or whatever. Now, take your green bell peppers. I'm assuming everybody breaks them down to make them easy to cut. Makes it a whole lot easier. You want these in slices. Alright, now we're back over here. Gonna bring in your onions, separate them out, of course. Bring in your bell peppers. You don't lose them all. Okay. Now, what I'm cooking it in is sherry. You know, my sherry. I always think of that song when I think of this stuff. Sherry cooking wine. You're going to bring it in for about 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it. Maybe. There we go. And just let that simmer for a little while. And bring you right back in a little bit. Alright, I've had it going for a little while. See, it's nice and simmering or beyond. Okay, now take your meat. If you like your vegetables a little more crunchy, don't do the simmering the vegetables for like 20 minutes. It'll help you keep them nicer and crisp. And now is when I add my mushrooms in. Also, some black pepper. I say some, I mean a lot. Is there a measurement for it? No. Is it to your taste buds? Yes. Everybody has a different taste. Now, if this is a recipe that requires it to be identical or correct, I'd tell you, but this one's not. Some salt. You gotta think, you have meat in here, so you want it to get that salt and pepper taste. And then I use some granulated garlic. Now, your sherry that you have, this is a 16-ounce bottle. This is 4 steaks, pepper and a half, and 1 large onion. I'm going to take the rest of it and put it in. Now, this is going to sit here and simmer for half an hour. Alright, so we'll see you back soon. Almost fell over for a dog. All right, just turn the fire off on it. You can see where it's at. Everything's cooked. And now I'm going to take it to sink so I can drain all the juices out of it. Get everything together. And grab you some Monterey Jack cheese. Usually you can buy this in slices, but apparently it's getting harder to get right this second. The Kroger I went to did not have any, so I had to buy some to slice myself. You can see how that came out. All right. Take the lid, set it back on. Let it set till the cheese melts. We'll bring it back when it's ready. All right. Melted pretty well. Got some nice wild rice or rice select, royal blend. A whole bunch of different little rices. I'm gonna try that out, see if it's any good tonight. Nice and cheesy. Gotta get some peppers on here. Gotta love the cheese. And yes, folks, y'all know this is still hot, don't you? But hot. Nice, tender. It is well done, but that's how this recipe is designed to be done. Rice is actually really good. Highly recommend it. Come back, try it, see what you think. Tell me how you think. I'd like to thank Paul for the recipe and his family. And if you've got any recipes you want us to try, you can go to our About page on YouTube, and our email's there. Send us an email. Type it down in the box, whatever you want to do. We'll bleep bloop it down in the box for me. And we'll try out your recipes. We'll cook them on here first time. See what we think. Guys, thanks for subscribing, following. Catch us on Facebook on Our Texas Homestead. Catch us here on YouTube on Our Texas Homestead. And we'll see you back next time on Our Texas Homestead. Thanks.